Nagkaroon po ba ng bagong spokesperson ng PNP?
Well, nandito ang ating PIO. Lahat ang daming spokesperson, no? The commander of, for example, RD, when I was the RD, I make it a point that the ang chief of police ay may knowledge of what is happening to his jurisdiction. So sa level ng chief of police dapat meron siya mismo ang nagsasalita in behalf of within his jurisdiction. Sa provincial level, ang magsasalita ang spokes dyan is ang ating provincial director, and he is authorized to have his kung wala siya, merong spokes doon, no? To talk in behalf of the provincial director. Sa regional office, ganun din, the RD with spokesperson. Here, in the national headquarters, ang magsasalita is the chief PNP and the spokesperson. And yung spokesperson, the PIO, for example, ang parang office mo, Public Information Office, nandiyan na sa kanila lahat yun. And so, all the repository of reports, nandyan sa kanya. And hinihimay niya yun so that it will be ready to the public, katulad nyo kung meron kayong tinatanong. Nasa kanya yun. Okay. And so, bakit meron pa tayong spokesperson na he's the spokesperson, no? Dalawa kami.
So, general panel po.
And we will look into that kung saan ba napunta yung spokesperson.
So in your absence, sir,
pinag-aaralan na salita magbalik kayo. Pwede po ba? Pwede yung pinag-aaralan niyo po magbalik kayo. Isa po yun sa mga mabagong mangyayari.
Yes.
last question, sir. Last question.
Hindi na po si General Fajardo.
Pag-aaralan nga dahil designated siya na spokes.
Yes.
Spokes, ano? Nandito ang ating PIO, under naman yun doon dapat. Di parehas kami, yung OCPNP, Office of the Chief, merong spokesperson at merong PIO, parang iisa lang ata yun.
Pero sa mga kami, may kipag-coordinate kami, hindi na po kay General Fajardo. Tama po ba, sir? Ang kailangan namin na.
Make the procedure.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So,
Just to be clear.
so in your absence, si General Fajardo.
So we will make the procedure. Tawagan mo kasi ako agad pagka no?
So last question, sir. Para
General, last question.
Sir, sa Monday na lang yung all other.
General Torres, sir. Yung reshuffle ni General Torres, stay pa po ba yun o ni-recall na po, sir?
There was a NAPOLCOM resolution, no?
Yes, sir.
I need to tackle it with the board.
So if
How do you
status
intend to honor that resolution by NAPOLCOM?
We will tackle that with I will tackle that with the NAPOLCOM. At for sure, i-implement natin yan. But, alam nyo, ang NAPOLCOM, siya ang watchdog sa PNP. Siya ang repository ng ating mga policies and circulars. Gawa rin naman sa PNP yun, and then they affirm. And nakalagay naman sa batas when the PNP was created, nandun din ang organization ng NAPOLCOM. What is NAPOLCOM? Okay? The NAPOLCOM administers the Philippine National Police, and the NAPOLCOM, ang ginagawa niyan, of course, is siya ay the PNP is under their administrative control and operational supervision. So, klaro naman yun. Kaya nga, dumadaan yung mga promotion sa kanila to confirm. Di ba? To confirm.
General, last na lang. Sa question po ng BARN.
At nagpapasalamat tayo, meron tayong batas na 6975. Pagka hindi natin sinunod, para saan pa yung batas, no? Oo nga. Sige,
Sa
one last.
BER.
Hindi,
Form lang, sir.
naparami kasi si... Sige, what else? Isa pa.
Sir, war on drugs.
Anti-drug campaign, sir.
O hindi, ano ba talaga?
Sir, last na lang, malilig na si sir.
Malilate na si...
Sir, update lang sa Maro sa Bukit Policy. Operation.
Well, 24 hours pa lang ako na chief, and then ang mas nakakaalam niyan is the regional director of BARN. But I was there supervising the operation and giving direction to the operations of the BARN. Of course, yung ating BARN parliamentary election ay it will push through on October 13, about 2 months from now. August, 2 months from now. So matutuloy yon, and just like our election nung midterm election 2025, take note that walang failure of election in BARN for the first time, kasi including sa ating archipelago. Natatandaan ko pa yun eh. Natatandaan mo ba yun? Natatandaan nyo, no? May failure of election ba yun?
Sumagot ka.
Wala, no? Wala. Kasi...
Bata ka pala.
Diba? I was designated as the Security Task Force Commander for
Yes,
one election. So, we will just follow the template and improve it. Utilize our resources. We have our mandate to ensure that the election will push through. At kung mag-push through yung election, to ensure that it is safe, secured, and fair election, no, for parliamentary in BARN. So, paano gagawin yon? The units, particularly PRO BAR, ay in-account na nila, pinag-aralan ang threat groups. What are the threats that may derail the peaceful conduct of election? Kaya na rin makakasagot. Ano yun? Nandiyan ang na maglalabas ang Directorate for Intelligence at may intelligence doon to supervise, to identify those personalities. Marami. May CTGs, may LTGs, mayroong criminal gangs, mayroong PACs. Okay? So, pagka-election naman, yan naman ang ginagawa natin, di ba? Guns, goons, and gold. Oh. So, in terms of pinag-aralan na rin natin, in the past, ilan at sino ang gumawa ng karahasan dun sa area at kung anong area. So, they have the data already and get the details from RD Probar.
May update ba sir sa gano'ng kadaming deployment tool natin for BARN?
Kung hindi ako magkamali, about 6,000 or more. 16,000 additional forces or components yun, complement
Additional
to the current strength of the Philippine National Police, including other law enforcement units. Kung kulang, iaano natin, dadagdagan upon our recommendation to the COMELEC. The COMELEC is the deputized lang ang PNP dyan.
How about areas of concern, sir? Nakakailan po monitor po natin for one?
Okay, get the data from get the data. Okay.
Sir, thank you.